Today's question comes from Cardiff, UK. Tristan Perry asks, "Hi Matt, what are resources, textbooks, online PDFs, etc., would you recommend to people interested in learning more about LSI, semantic indexing, search engine algorithms, etc.?" That's a really fun question. I think one of the things I would do is I would hunt down the original PageRank papers. The original paper is written by Googlebot, so there's a whole bunch of different stuff about the anatomy of a large-scale hypertext search engine, and then also a bunch of papers about PageRank. Those are really, really good. There's also a couple textbooks that I'd recommend. One is Modern Information Retrieval. That's got a lot of good stuff about, the scoring and the science and thinking about that. And then there's also one called Managing Gigabytes. I think Ian Witten wrote that one. And that one's just a little bit more about the logistics and, being able to horse around that much data and thinking about some of the machines issues and how does a large scale engine work. So those three together, and then of course you can always do searches. Google Research actually has a ton of different papers that we've published. So you might want to look into that a little bit as well. But basically, PageRank, the early Google papers, can give you an idea of how to write a very simple search engine that's, can scale to 100 million documents or so. Managing Gigabytes and Modern Information Retrieval, and that'll give you a pretty good view of the sort of different parts of the space.